This is really about where any claim against MGM is heard, in federal court, which is seen to favor the hotel, or state court, which would likely favor the victims. So MGM is doing what any smart company would, trying to come up with the best legal defense to shield itself from liability arising from the mass shooting where gunman Stephen Paddock entered the hotel with massive firepower and killed 58 victims. However, MGM is getting hammered in the court of public opinion, saying 1,000 victims are entitled to nothing, claiming a federal law passed after 9/11 known as the Safety Act precludes any finding of liability against MGM for any claim for injuries arising out of or related to Paddock's mass attack, and that the plaintiffs have no liability of any kind to the defendants. Why? Well, MGM says that the concert security vendor was certified by the Department of Homeland Security against terrorism or acts of mass injuries. Therefore, MGM has no liability. But lawyers for the victims say the FBI never classified the Vegas shooting as a terrorist act because the gunman had no clear motive or extremist ideology, that MGM is unethical and simply judge shopping.
It wasn't meant to provide immunity for a hotel casino who's had woefully inefficient security process that didn't, all the bells and whistles that were going off that they didn't catch.
So far, 250 victims have filed against MGM, claiming that the hotel, not the concert, failed to provide adequate security, was negligent in stopping the attack. MGM, of course, Bill, faces hundreds of millions in losses should it lose.